One of the great features of the ZR5-1200 self-propelled baler is the machine gives operators the ability to unload the bale chamber in a matter of minutes. In this video, we'll take you through the steps to unload your bale chamber from your power unit. First, it's important to park the machine on a flat, hard surface with adequate space to unload your bale chamber. Once you are stopped and in neutral, ensure your bale chamber drive is disengaged and set your park brake. Your bale chamber should always be empty when disconnecting. Turn the machine off and remove the key before you exit the power unit. At this time, your pickup will automatically lower. Once you are out of the cab, go ahead and open the left-hand door and remove the electrical and hydraulic connections between the bale chamber and the power unit. These are the only steps you need to take outside the cab. Next, back in the cab, start the power unit and press and hold the bale chamber unload switch to unload the chamber. Now you are ready to pull your power unit away from the bale chamber. In order to load your bale chamber back in the power unit, simply reverse the steps used to load the chamber. After backing the power unit to the bale chamber, press and hold the bale chamber load switch. Follow the shutdown procedure, remove the key, and exit the machine. Now reconnect the electrical and hydraulic connections. Before connecting the hydraulic connection, however, ensure that all the individual couplers are faced with the multibank. You are now ready to close the left-hand door. This completes the loading procedure.